guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to say sorry for not uploading my video for a few days because I feel I lose my confidence about making videos because for me making videos like learning English, the topic is learning English, and I didn't make it and still didn't make it. Like I'm not fluent. I used so much overused words, and the thing is, most importantly, I lose my confidence. That's why for me, when I was first making my videos, I feel so encouraged, so much confidence, even the energy, you don't believe me. And after a few days, like 2 days later, I feel like how can I improve others, even I need this type of improvement and the motivate that I want to share with you. So the questions in my mind feel me so much like uncomfortable, like I'm not doing these things, like this is not for me and I have to keep up. The thing I actually am doing this, like I have to give up. It's not for me. It's not the perfect time. I have to learn grammar, and then I will come here and making videos for you. I have a question in my mind. People do this, like first they learn grammar, they know about idioms, vocabulary, uses, overused words, and then come to YouTube and share their experience, how long it take to their English learning journey. Then I have my to-do list when I want to when the first time I just wanted to create a YouTube channel, maybe some kind of blog, but I didn't think about this. Like I am going to speak English in front of people. Even I don't know them. Even I don't know how they react of my video. Obviously, it's kind of weird. I have to list lots of lists. Like I'm going to next video at that topic in this topic. Where a phrase I write it down in my phone, do it your own way and looks like realistic that you experience yourself, not for others experience. You have to show to your video, like not a copycat. You don't have to be copycat. Your journey, your realistic, you have to show in your feed, not like the influencer do this the same thing, then you have to do the same thing again and again. No, not at all. Do it in your own way, and that gives me the encouragement and back my confidence. No matter what, I'm going to do this. If I made a mistake, you are here, right? You comment on my video like I mispronounced this, and I use this very many, I use this so much in my video, etc etc. So it at this types of comment, no, it's not hurt me, it's give me encouragement and help me so much for making videos, and the others people who wanted to do this and even they give up, so it's give me blessings. So make sure you want to and make sure if you love it support me, then subscribe to my channel and comment like you have, I'm into, like I'm in, like you are doing great, just tell me something positively, like I feel so much encouraging, so make me so much blessings. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.